What we want is not to talk about Bengali, Punjabi, Sindhi. Yes, they are units, they are provinces, put on. Yes. But I ask you, have you forgotten the lesson that Islam taught us 13 centuries ago? And I think you will agree with me that whatever else you may be or wherever you are, you're a Muslim. That you have now carved out a territory, vast territory. It is all yours. It doesn't belong to a Punjabi or a Bengali or a Sindhi. It's yours. You've got your central government where every unit and every province is represented. Therefore, if you want to build up yourself into a nation and get rid of this poison, God's sake, give up this provincialism. You are only voicing my sentiments and the sentiments of millions of Muslims when you say that Pakistan should be based on pure foundations of social justice and Islamic socialism, not otherism.